Hey everyone, welcome back to Inkmattic, the finance channel here on YouTube. Hope you're all doing well and having a great start to the new year. If you haven't seen our latest collaboration, to be fair, I say latest, it's our first collaboration on this channel, and it's with some of the top UK YouTubers and bloggers. Link is in the description if you want to check it out after this video, or there is a card above. Anyway, this is a trading 212 portfolio update video, episode 62 in the series. So we are getting there, and thanks again for everyone who has been watching, subscribing, liking, and watching these videos on a regular basis. I really do appreciate it and your input on this. So today we're going to be going through the portfolio, how it's been performing over the last week, and to be fair, the first week of 2021. Alright guys, so this is the first trading week of 2021. Episode 62, here we go. So portfolio is now at £11,207.98p. I've invested £9,843.19p. This includes any profits that I've had from trades, dividends, etc. Yeah, so that's pretty much what it is. So if we have a look at the week, we did start off around 10.28%. Did hit lows of around 10,674. And that was around 8.56%, but recently it has been increasing and it has had quite a bullish end of the week, and I think that's pretty decent. I'm pretty happy with that. A lot of stocks have seen a big increase compared to, what was this, Monday. So, it did start off low, but it has been recovering, which is good. So hopefully, yeah, we can see how this continues. At the moment, I'm up £1,364.79p. That's 13.87%. So let's talk about Barratt developments. So they announced this week that they plan to resume their dividends because they had quite a good first half. Barratt completed 9,077 homes, which is about 9.2% increase from the same period last year. The group's sales rate also rose by 0.77% per outlet per week, from 0.69 per outlet per week in 2019. So they did see a huge, a slight improvement, to be honest, which is good. But they also plan to continue their operations throughout the lockdown, this new lockdown 3.0 as we call it. So, I guess it's business as usual for them. On this announcement, the shares rose by about 3.3% according to Hargreaves Lansdown. Yeah, it's quite an interesting one, to be honest. When we look at some of their forward, like for example, their forward PE ratio is at 12.2. 10-year average forward PE ratio is about 10.6. And the prospective yield is about 3.6, so it is still pretty good. The stock is actually doing really well. If we look at when it opened at the start of the week, it was around £6.62p, and it closed around £7.20p as of Friday. So it has been a really good week for them. Like I said, I do have a stock analysis video, which is on the card above and in the description if you haven't already seen that. But yeah, so this is fantastic news that Barratt have resumed their dividends, and the forward PE ratio is about 12.2, which is good. So with Energy Transfers, the next one that I want to talk about, on the week it has actually risen quite a bit. It's currently at $6.73. It is up around 8.72%, which is, I am absolutely really happy about. I've got 440 shares, which is roughly worth around £2,175.27p. Returns at the moment, I am up 0.48%. That's £10.32p. This is the only reason why this is only 0.48 is because of the exchange rate. The FX impact has taken away around 4.44% of my returns, which is £96. So what are you going to do? So I'm planning to add more to this stock, because I still do believe it's going to be around $10, should I say. But yeah, that's what I think. BP. So with BP, it's actually had a really good week as well. It's up 16.97%. That current price is at £2.99p. I've got 51 shares at the moment. I'm still down 16.12%. That is down £29.30p, and my average price is around £3.56p. So I'd love to know what you guys think about BP. Would you continue to buy at £2.99, or would you just hold off for now and wait for it to drop? I'd love to know what your thoughts are on this stock. Also, oil has actually been doing really well when we come to look at it overall. Shell is also doing pretty well this week. It is up 12.46%, which is interesting. So the oil stocks, both Energy Transfer, BP, have also done really well. So I've got 13 shares at the moment. That's worth about £184 exactly, apparently. Returns at the moment, I am up £14.88p. That's 8.8% in the green. My average price is at £13. So pretty happy with that. I'd love to know what your thoughts are on oil stocks in general, to be honest. Would you still invest in oil stocks, or would you go completely skip it and go straight into green energy? I'd love to know your thoughts on that, and I am keen to know if you have any recommendations to check out any green ETFs, because like I said in my previous videos, 2021 is a year that I'm going to be focusing on expanding my ETF collection, essentially, and I do want to invest slightly more into ETFs in 2021. So I'd love to know what ETFs you recommend in terms of green ethical investing. So yeah, leave a comment down below with your favorites. And I also do have a ethical investing blog post going live next week. So keep your eyes out for that one at inkmattic.com. And if you want to know what trading app I'm using, it's Trading 212. And if you do want to invest in or start investing, head over to inkmattic.com/trading 212. And when you sign up using that link, deposit £1, you'll get a free share worth up to £100. Also, you can also sign up to other trading platforms in the description below, and you'll also get free shares in them. But if you sign up to all of them, you could get free shares worth up to £600 in total when you sign up to all those platforms. So, it could be a nice little quick win. Worth checking out. I'd recommend it. But yeah, anyway, back to this portfolio update. So the next stock I want to talk about, which is ARCC, which is Ares Capital. So it's currently at $17. I've got 6 shares, which is about £75. I am up 90p, to be honest. That's 1.21%. However, the FX impact is not working in my favour. It's taken around £1.70 out of my returns. My average price is at $16.40. This actually did pay me a dividend. Let's quickly go on. They paid me a dividend on the 8th of January. This was supposed to be paid on the 30th of December, so Trading 212 is like a week late on this one, so it's not really massive. So I've got a dividend on 5 shares at 34 cents per share, which amounted to £1.25. So overall, pretty happy with that. I think that's pretty decent. And the next stock that I want to talk about, which paid me a dividend, it's a little bit late, but we'll talk about it anyway. So the IUSA from iShares is currently at £27.98. I've got 11.38 shares. Obviously, this one is part of my pie. So I've got 7 shares bought manually and 4.38 through the pie. Total returns at the moment is £44.29. That's 16.15% in the green. My average price is around £24. If we look at the dividend that it paid, so this was supposed to be paid on the 23rd of September, and I think Trading 212 paid this quite late. It paid me on the 7th of January. On 11 shares, and the amount per share was £8.63p, which amounted to 95p. So yeah, Trading 212 was probably about 2 weeks late. I can't really blame them because it's over the Christmas period, so I would expect them to kind of, I guess, turn down for the Christmas period. So, you know, I'm not too worried about that. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this week's portfolio update. I'd love to know what you guys think. How are your stocks doing? And have you purchased anything new this week? So yeah, leave a comment down below. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button and like this video. It really does help this channel grow. And also, if you're interested in trying out Trading 212, you can use my link in the description or head over to inkmattic.com/trading212. And when you sign up, deposit £1, you'll get a free share worth up to £100. To be fair, we both will, so it really does help as well. So yeah, that's it for this video. See you in the next one.